Hello student, welcome to English class. Today we are start with determiners. Determiners. What is determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. They all come at the beginning of noun phrases. And usually we cannot use more than one determiner in the same noun phrase. Noun phrase means a group of words with a noun as its main part. For example, my pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola, and can any, question that jar, a lot of food, a disappointed parent. Example of determiners: the, an, a, this, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most. Let's take this example. The grade 7 Exodus was awarded as the most disciplined section of the month. That man in the blue shirt is my brother. The grade 7 Exodus was awarded as the most disciplined section of the month. The is used here as a determiner. That man is blue shirt is my brother. That is used as determiners. Classes of determiners. There are 8 classes of determiners: article, definite and indefinite, demonstrative, quantifier, possessive, numbers, cardinal and ordinal, distributive or indefinite pronouns, questions word or relative pronouns. So there is 8 type of determiners. First, article, definite and indefinite. Definite, article a and the. The indefinite articles a or n signal that the reference is non-specific or general. So, the indefinite articles a or n signal that the reference is not specific or general. The definite article the signal that the reference specific or general. The definite article the signal that the reference is specific. Definite and indefinite articles the, a, and. For example, the visitors are coming. A box of chocolates was eaten by Lance. Demonstrative, singular and plural. Singular, this, that. Plural, these, those. Showing who or what is being referred to. Demonstrative determiners are used for showing who or what is being referred to by this, that in singular form, these and those in plural form. For example, this pair of shoes is mine. I think that girl is the leader. Quantifiers: few, little, much, many, most, a lot of, some other, any, enough, more, such. Used with a noun to show the amount of something is quantifier determiners. By few, little, much, many, most, a little of, some other, any, enough, more, such. For example, some students are not in their proper uniform. Most students, teachers are staying at the library. Possessive. A form of a word that shows that something or someone belongs to someone is possessive determiners. It shows by my, your, his, her, its, our, their. For example, my brother John will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. I will show you our new house. Cardinal. Numbers, ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers used in simple counting and shows quantity like 1, 10, 30, 40, 2, 9. For example, 2 dogs are barking outside. 30,000 leaders attended the seminar. Ordinal numbers used to show the position of someone or something in series by first, last, 20, 50. For example, Luffy defeated the first commander in the Blackboard Pirated. Luffy defeated the first commander in the Blackboard Pirates. Distributive, a word referring singly without exceptions to the member of a group. A word referring single without exception to the member of a group. It's called distributive. Both, half, either, neither, each, every, all is used as distributive determiners. For example, every human being is unique. All grade 7 students are industrious. Question word for relative pronouns. Whose, which, what, whatever. For example, Kit is the guy whose mother is the famous singer. He does not know what he is saying. So students, here you know about the determinants. Now I'm ending the session. Now we will meet again with next video. Okay, thank you.